Is there a new guy in your class? I'm ready to flirt. But my tights let me down. What a bummer! Sometimes the beginning of a school day is very rough. Hi, Jess! Oops! You put your shirt on inside out, and there's some toothpaste on your cheek. Apparently, Jessica didn't have a lot of time to get ready for school. And you forgot to put shoes on. Yep, it happens. I'll go change before class. When your desk mate has long hair, it can be a real challenge. Her hair is everywhere. There you go. Now it's in my backpack. Ouch! It hurts. Give me my hair back. Sorry, friend. Let's start our rescue operation. We'll carefully take the hair out of the zipper. There you go, Rapunzel. You are free again. Psst, Jessica! Hey, Jess! Come on, Jess! Look at this picture. Jessica doesn't understand what her friend wants. Leave me alone. I'm writing. What is this drawing? Whoops! Looks like the teacher got curious about what's going on. How interesting! A portrait of the teacher? It would obviously be better without the horns. The teacher is not happy about the sketch. I'm not that evil! Now Jessica will get punished, and it's all her friend's fault. Oops! Recess is the perfect time to chat about our teachers. The girls are gossiping about Miss Olivia. Miss Olivia is just… Oops! Bad timing. The teacher approaches the source of the gossip. Hush! Oops! She heard everything. Now there's no point in expecting high grades from her. We'll be in this class for another year. We are taking a test. Miss Olivia, I need your help. Too bad the aisles between the desks in the class are so narrow. While Miss Olivia is helping Jessica, her butt can help Rosie. Oops! That's an unusual angle. Rosie will never forget this class. Some weird sounds are coming from the last desk. Who has the hiccups? Did you swallow a hippo or what? What an awkward moment. I wish my hiccups would stop. I can't wait for recess. It's time to answer at the board. Oh no, anyone but me. Phew, someone else got called up. Wake up, Sleeping Beauty. It's time to do math. She's only half awake, so she doesn't understand what's going on. What math? What are you talking about? But the girls help her with the right answer. They show her 4 on their fingers. Poor girl, she writes down whatever she sees. She thinks the right answer is 4 fingers. What? That's so embarrassing. Even the teacher didn't expect this answer. Sit down, Miss Pythagoras. You won't be passing this class. Even the chair lets me down. Whoops! I'm having such a bad day. We're discussing an important topic. The teacher explains the formulas. Hey, watch out for your jacket. Half of the equation is on your back. Oopsies! The teacher immediately wipes the chalk off with his hand, but it doesn't help. We are having so much fun. A test will be helpful. Ugh, this always happens. Rosie always has test answers ready just in case. I'll do it quick. Whoops! I got caught. The teacher took away my magical paper. What should I do? You messed with the wrong student, Mr. Test. Rosie has a plan B. It's a tiny little paper. It's even better than the previous one. Great! I'll take that away too. The teacher has a collection of Rosie's cheat sheets. Now she'll have to take the test all by herself. Oh, my marker fell. Girls, could you please pick it up? Oof! They hit each other head on. Ouch! What an accident! Girls, where's the marker? You know what? Take it yourself. My head won't survive another bump. Jessica borrows Ben's textbook. Whoa, it's a Valentine. Let's see who it's addressed to. Oh, who would have known that Ben is so romantic? Now I know his little secret. Oops, and here's my neighbor Cupid. Look, your heart fell out. I guess Ben wasn't ready to share his feelings yet. take some chips. Mmm, yummy and greasy. Rosie wipes her dirty fingers on her book while no one is looking. Oops, too late. Everyone saw. That's awkward. I love chewing gum in class, but only when the teacher doesn't notice. When I need to say something, I quietly stick gum under the desk. And there you go, I got a good grade. But I didn't take one thing into account. The gum is still sticky. Ew! It stuck to me. That's disgusting. What are you laughing at, Ben? Next time, I'll stick my gum to you. There's a new guy in our class. All the girls liven up. Jessica put on a mini dress and heels just to get his attention. Hello, handsome. Oops! A purse hook ruins her whole plan. It decided to flirt with Jessica's tights. Yikes! Now Jessica has a hole in her tights and a broken heart instead of a boyfriend. Can anyone give me a pencil? Thanks, friend. I'll give it back. But Ben gets so carried away that he gnaws on Alex's pencil. Oops! Nothing can save it. What an awkward situation. Hey, Ben, give me my pencil back. What a shame. Hey, what did you do to it? It's covered in bite marks. You are a pencil vampire. Miss Olivia is quizzing the students, but someone keeps interrupting. Jessica doesn't even manage to open her mouth before Rosie screams out the answer. Hey, calm down. I want to answer too. As a result, Rosie gets all the best grades. That's so rude. Ben perfectly impersonates the teacher. He could be a professional parody artist. How graceful and natural. Ben nails it. He deserves a school Oscar. But the real teacher doesn't think so. Hey, Ben, stop your show. The teacher is here. It seems like our teacher didn't like the parody. Too bad this isn't acting class. Finally recess, and I can eat. Hello, my favorite sandwich. I have been waiting for you all day. Ben, do you want some? It's very tasty. Poor Jessica. She doesn't even suspect that Ben has a good appetite. And he really loves ham sandwiches. After a minute, Jessica's sandwich is all gone. Ben, where's my sandwich? Is this all that's left? Well, thanks for sharing. Bon appetit! Someone didn't have enough time to put on makeup in the morning. My friend is late again, and she's covering up half of her face. Hey, good morning. What's wrong? Show us your cute face. It turns out that she was in such a hurry to get to school that she forgot to apply makeup to half of her face. Is it really obvious? Oops, looks like you are getting an F in makeup class. Jessica bought some new lipstick, and now she thinks that everyone likes this color. So how do I tell her that there's lipstick on her teeth? Hey, Jess, you look like the school version of Dracula. But Jessica takes the criticism as a compliment. My lipstick is so cool, right? All our attempts to help her failed. Have a good day, Miss Misunderstanding. Ben is the coolest guy in school. Jess, you can't resist me. Mr. Too Good For You and the most handsome guy of the year. His self-confidence is over the top. Too bad his mom came to school at the same moment. Hey, Ben, your mom is here. Benny, have you had lunch yet? I brought you some cookies. My favorite baby. Put your hood on. It's cold. Let's go see the teacher. We need to talk about your grades. Bye, girls. The bummer of the year. So who's Mr. Masculine now? Redhead chewed on a pen so intensely that she managed to eat some ink. Oops! Be careful with that pen. You look like you ate a Smurf. How awkward! Excuse me, may I go out? I need to wash the ink off. Did you like our awkward school moments? Then comment below what sticky situations have happened to you in class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new school life stories from Troom.